Importance of chemistry. Hello. Welcome in the world of chemistry. Allow me to start this discussion with a small question. What is chemistry? Oh, all of you must have conflicting opinions about chemistry. Some of you might be thinking that chemistry is the colorful liquids present in the bottles of chemistry lab. For your information, these are the chemicals. Some of you might be thinking that chemistry is the process that happens when two chemicals are mixed with each other. Yes, you are right, but up to some level. The scope of chemistry is vast. Chemistry is a branch of science that focuses on composition, properties, and interaction of matter. Roald Hoffmann defined chemistry as the science of molecules and their transformations. He stated that chemistry is the science of very few elements, but of infinite number of molecules derived from them. If you go on studying more and more deep, you will come to know that chemistry deals mainly with composition, properties, and interaction of matter. That is why we call chemistry as science of atoms and molecules. So, I think you got the idea about what chemistry is. Now let's study its importance. All your daily activities are the gift of chemistry. You breathe, mean you take oxygen and leave carbon dioxide. Plants use carbon dioxide to prepare food. You survive by eating food which is mainly consist of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Even your actions are controlled by chemicals present in the body. Today, every object you see around is made of chemicals. Chemicals such as fertilizers, alkalis, acids, salts, dyes, polymers, drugs, soap, detergents, metals, alloys, and similar organic and inorganic chemicals are produced in chemical industries. These industries have large contribution in national economy. Chemical principles are very important in understanding weather patterns. For instance, we use thermometer to determine temperature. Thermometer consists of mercury, which help to determine the temperature. Silicon is the important element in high technology semiconductor devices. All the developments that you see today is because of such semiconductor devices, which are again the chemicals. In healthcare applications today, there are variety of drugs to tackle diseases. Cisplatin and Taxol are effective in cancer treatment. AZT, that is, azithromycin, is helping the AIDS victims to survive. The knowledge of chemistry helped to design and manufacture new materials having specific magnetic, electric, and optical properties, which help to production of superconducting ceramic, conducting polymers, optical fibers, and various solid-state devices. We all know that chlorofluorocarbons is depleting our ozone layer. Chemistry helped us to produce environmental friendly alternatives to CFCs. Today, there are still many problems such as management of greenhouse gases, methane, carbon dioxide. Only chemistry can solve such problems. And so, chemistry is very important. But again, this could be possible only if there are good chemists. So, do you wish to be a good chemist? Of course, you will be.